Ndewo. As an Igbo language learner, the open secret to speaking, reading, and writing Igbo to any level of your choice will be influenced by how many Igbo words you know. In this two-part episode, you will learn how to say
mother, father, hand, banana, chair
in Igbo. In the second part, you will get to play the picture vocabulary quiz. This is a fun way to test your Igbo vocabulary knowledge. We are ready. If you're ready, anyị bido.
Father,
Nna, nna,
chair,
oche, oche,
banana,
unere, unere,
mother,
nne, nne,
hand,
aka, aka,
Improve your fluency in Igbo by learning everyday Igbo.
Coming up next is the picture vocabulary quiz. The picture vocabulary quiz are fun and timed quizzes to test your Igbo vocabulary knowledge. 1. Look at the image and listen to the English word.
Chair,
2. Name the Igbo word for the image within the given time. 3. The answer will be revealed after the time is up. Oche. Anyị bido.
hand,
Aka.
father,
Nna.
banana,
Unere.
mother,
Nne.
chair,
Oche. Did you get all 5 correct? Let us know if you have any questions. Vocabulary are the building blocks to improving your fluency in Igbo. To learn more and practice everyday Igbo words in this series, click on the video showing on your screen.